What's up, YouTube? Yugioh 3000 here, and today I got this little box of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. You get 2 decks. It says you get 2 decks, 2 packs, 6 4 cards, and guaranteed to include a 5-headed dragon card. Well, you get tournament pack 6. There's your 5-headed dragon card, and then I think you get one Power of the Duelist. So let's open this up here. See what we get. See what we get out here. See what's in here. See what kind of decks we get. I see a Magician of Black Chaos in there already, and then a Zero the Mant. See what we get out here. Man, they really tape this thing up good here. There you go. Okay, so let's see here. We got the Legacy of Yata Garasa and Zero Ritual. Here's our tournament pack 6. So our 2 decks. We got a Dragunity Arma Leavante. There's a Dragunity deck, and then there's a Superconductor Tyranno. It's a dinosaur deck or something. Here we go. See what cards you got in here. There's the Magician of Black Chaos and the Zero the Mant. There's a Power of the Duelist pack. And then what cards you got right here? Got a 5-headed dragon and then a Black Magic Ritual. It's pretty cool. There are the 6 cards we get. And then open these decks up here. See. Open these decks up. I don't want to mess the cards up. What the heck? Can't open this pack. This deck. How the heck you open this thing? Where's it? I don't want to mess these cards up. This thing's really taped up here good, man. Oh man, one of the cards looks like it's messed up already. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. Okay, there we go. I got it. Man, it took me forever. Okay, let's see. There's a Superconductor Tyranno. It's Ultra. This is a dinosaur deck, I'm guessing. I can't remember what deck it's called. These are all the cards you get in there. Heavy Storm, Mystical Space Typhoon. Sabersaurus. Pretty cool. It's the deck. Now the next deck. See, this one will be easier to open. Yeah, this one's easier to open here. There we go. Okay, see we got a Dragunity Arma Leavante, Dragunity Arma Mistelitan. I can't really say those names. Dragunity Aclais. Those are hollows in the beginning. It's a Dragunity deck. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool little deck here. Everything will be for trade or sell. Got a Mirror Force, a Bottomless. That's pretty cool. Both decks will be for sell or trade. For trade or sell. All these cards I got, everything will be for trade or sell. And now the packs. Let's see what we got here. Let's do the Power Duelist first. Let's see what we get out of here. There we go. Elemental Neos and a Submarine Roid. Pretty cool. So rare. It's pretty cool. And now the tournament pack 6. See if we get something good out of here. Oh, we got a rare. Arknight Parshiath. Dark Ballater the Terrible. And a Sleeping Lion. Sleeping Leon. Leon, I don't know. Pretty cool though. So everything is for sale or trade. Just PM me. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe. And see you later.